Hello, Radovan Kianica is here. I'm Stamperia teacher, and this is my new project for Stamperia and of course for you. I'm so excited that I can tell you everything about this project. I create this pop-up kit with two big pop-up pages, House of Roses and Voyage Fantastic. And now everything will be much easier. This beautiful kit have two big sheets, 30 by 30 centimeters with pre-cuts and beautiful pictures and transparent sheet and the base for your card as well. Everything what you need is glue. Just follow the numbers and glue everything together and you will have beautiful pop-up card. But don't worry, I have also video tutorial for you on Stamperia e-Academy. So, are you ready to create these beautiful pop-up cards as a gift for your friends, for birthday or wedding or for a special moment? I hope you will like it and I hope you enjoy it. Buy and create with your heart. With love, Radovan.